Alright, hi, how you doing today? It's October 5th, 2016. We're reading a Equipment Electrical Diesel Electrical Locomotive book. The Electrical Equipment Diesel Electrical Locomotive White Cob Locomotive Company GOCG-63044 SO15-T-235. The Electrical Equipment Diesel Electrical Locomotive Whitecomb Locomotive Integration Company. Description, operation, and maintenance instruction booklet 544-32330, 1943, Westinghouse Electrical Manufacturer. All right. Description, index, paging, section 1, general description, essential elements, general description of equipment, a list of equipment, section 2, operation, sequence of construction, control equipment, preparation unit, service, electrical equipment, mechanical parts, air system, oil, water, sand, supply, as preparatory, starting engineering, starting combustions, testing, motor rotation, operating locomotive, leaving locomotive, possible troubles and remedies. Generator fails to crank the engine, failing off with the power, the loss of power indicated with the overspeeding of the engine, completed with the failure to electrical power, miscellaneous troubleshooting causing an apparent loss of power, failure of the battery compressor, failure to pump the air, the miscellaneous troubles in general causing the general common cause of the faulty operation, section 3, main generator, general description, maintenance, general information, bearings, lubrication, brushes, and communicators, instructions for the dismantling, reassembling generator tools, dismantling generator from the engine, removing the armature bearings, assembling the armature bearing, assembling the generator, instruction to line up your generator type 189 R7 generator, general data, illustration, section 4, traction motors, illustration, general description, maintenance, bearings, lubrication, brush holders, carbon brushes, communicators, dismantling, assembling traction motors, tools, removal armature motors, removal bearings, removal of the replacement field coils, remove the traction motor pinions, applying the traction motor pinions, bearings, assembling the communicator ending ball bearings, assembling the pin end and roller barrel bearings, armature assembling into the frame, handling, soldering of the armature and the commutator, generally information, soldering procedures by dipping and baking. 1443A, traction motor general data, instruction, illustration, section 5. Miscellaneous control details, type TC control generator, description, illustration, reverser, description, fingers, cylinder maintenance, illustration, control of magnetic valves, general description, illustration, inlet valve leakage, exhaust valve leakage, manage valves, inspection, maintenance, valve gauging, standard valves, inverted valves, grinding valve, control magnet valve, illustration, magnetic contactors, general description, magnet maintenance, interlocking inspection, illustration, throttle switch, illustration, type UV56 relay panel, illustration, type M resistor, control resistor, miscellaneous switches and fuses, illustration, section 6, maintenance inspection, diesel electrical local electric equipment inspection schedules, general engine man's daily report, class A, B, C, D, E, and F, inspections, cleaning and electrical apparatus, installations, testing, locomotive schematic diagram, preface. These pages were written particularly for the benefit of those who will have to carry out the fuel electrical equipment, but those who are not familiar with the electrical apparatus. These illustrations describe the general construction of the various pieces, briefly explain their function, and call attention to the points that require the special care. Caution should be exercised not to come in contact with the generator terminals or any part of the main circuit while the engine is in operation. The valve is employed with voltage is employed on the generator and the traction motor circuits is sufficient high to give a very severe shock. Observe the following simple precautions may prevent serious shocks and burns. Do not attempt to make adjustment for the generator while it is in operation. Do not operate the traction motor switches or reverser hand while the engine is running. 3. In general, the switch cabinet door should not be open with the engine in its operation. Electrical circuits will be lead to the device where the operator controls the locomotive carrying the low voltage battery current. The testing equipment with having the pneumatic apparatus compress air from the sum of the external pumps and the pump of the reserves of the running engine must be certain for the shutdown engine before testing circuits. Section 1, General.